Why? Because I'm going to give you my picks for the best free solutions and the best paid solution for video editing software for both Windows and Mac users. Stay tuned. Xxdaneplaysminecraft.com. Now, if you're just starting out editing videos and want to do some minor editing on your videos, I would recommend starting with a few free applications. All right, my first pick is Windows Movie Maker. Now, this is made by Microsoft, and it's free for all you Windows users. Now, this is a really simple program, and it lets you edit movies and even make slideshows. And it's done semi-professionally. You're able to create, some titles, some transitions, and some effects, and even add a few sound effects and music. Now, the pro is it's free. The con is you get what you pay for. So don't expect for this to be this amazing program that you can do all these different things, all these different effects. This is just a simple application. Now for the free video editing software for you Mac users. Now what I would recommend is iMovie. Now iMovie is great. It's really, really simple. Honestly, my mom has edited a few videos and she's doing it like a pro. Now all you can do is just select your clip, you chop it down a little bit, and you can kind of insert it into the timeline. You can put in titles and effects. Plus, Apple actually gives you a lot of free things. Like they give you royalty-free music, some sound effects to use. You can have some fun options to even create movie trailers, kind of like Hollywood. Now there are 29 different types of trailers to pick from adventure to superhero to travel, whatever it may be. Pretty fun stuff. Now iMovie makes it really easy to share your videos with the ability to upload automatically to YouTube right from the application. Now this is a really great feature to get your feet wet for video editing, so I definitely recommend iMovie. Now let's switch gears a little. Let's focus on some good paid video editing software. The first one for Mac and Windows users is Camtasia. Now if you watched my other video on the best screen recording software out there, that was one of my picks too. Now besides recording your screen, Camtasia is great for other types of video editing. There are also some great ways to animate content. You can call outs, make your text fly across the screen, images can bounce up and down, text can scroll, and more. So big thumbs up for Camtasia. It's one that is a great screen recording software, but also a good video editing solution. Next is ScreenFlow. This little baby, this little software literally can do everything. I do a lot of editing on ScreenFlow. All my screenshot tutorials are there, but you can also do everything that Camtasia does, plus it has some really, really cool effects that Camtasia doesn't. Now the thing that I really love about ScreenFlow is it's really easy to do transitions. You can actually just drag clips together and it just combines. You don't have to throw in an effect, it automatically does that, and you can kind of select that effect. I really love using it for my light editing, for my screen recording, for all my tutorials. Let's go ahead and take it up a notch. My next recommendation is Sony Vegas Pro. Now Vegas has been around a while, and we're not talking about the city here. They have some great things that really can speed up your workflow. I really like the ability that you're able to expand the edit mode and see the timeline in detail of both your A-roll and your B-roll. That's pretty cool. I found that the image stabilization is really good, and they also support 4K and have a great library of effects. However, the masking feature is really weak. But all in all, this is a very solid product. Now for my last two favorite. Now, you might have been using Camtasia or another multi-track editor. The natural upgrade for a multi-track editor would be my pick, Adobe Premiere Pro. There are a lot of amazing videos that you actually see on YouTube, and they were actually created with Adobe Premiere. And let me tell you that Premiere really rocks. It's extremely powerful, and you can do some fast editing for big projects. With Adobe Premiere, there are way too many features to list. It would really take me an hour to explain everything you can use in this software. What separates Premiere Pro from the rest of the crowd is how they use their features and how they actually come together. Adobe understands that every editor in the world and every project has unique needs. And they've created the application to really customize it to fit those needs. Personally, I love the way that it actually manages files and the way that they use proxy files. Okay, I realize I'm geeking out over here, but this is a really amazing application, really to edit all different types of video projects. And a lot of big projects that my company actually does, we do on Premiere. Why? Because Premiere works beautifully with Adobe After Effects to create those really amazing effects that can really draw in an audience. Plus, using Premiere, I find myself saying, man, I didn't know that it could do this, or I didn't know it could do that. That's cool. So, super big 2 thumbs up for Adobe Premiere. Now for the application that I use on every single one of my YouTube videos for my channel. And the reason why I love it is because it's lightning fast to edit, and it's Final Cut Pro X. Now, if you're using ScreenFlow or iMovie, the natural progression is to upgrade to Final Cut Pro. Now, I just love Final Cut. And why do I actually love it? Well, the media management with libraries and how it organizes everything. It also can detect media, people detection, shot detection. Think about that for a second. You can literally find a shot that you like, and it will detect other shots like that. It can pull it all together. And the great thing is it's some automatic words and site structure off of the people and media detection. Now, the reason why I love it so much is it's lightning fast, super fast to edit. You can actually put clips together and pull together like this, and it has a mega editor. It's literally shot so you're not out of sync. The multi-cam feature is simply amazing. It allows you to select videos and photos, and then in the multi-clip, you can automatically sync them by different angles, by time of the day, time code, markers, audio waveform, literally listed on. What I love about it is when we do music videos, that we can have several different videos going all at the same time. We have maybe 16 different shots, and we're able to switch just on the fly and see what things look before it actually renders. It's super fast. I love it. This is just a great application. I just really love it. Super huge thumbs up. Super huge thumbs up for Final Cut Pro X. Don't forget to subscribe. In fact, you can become a super subscriber. Just hit the subscribe button and you'll see a little gear there. Hit it and click the button that says send me updates, and YouTube will literally notify you when I release my videos every week. I would love to hear what you think about my picks in the comments below. And I know I left a lot of video editing software out there. Tell me what your favorite video editing software is and why you would actually recommend it. I really want to know what features you actually use in this software. Now, I've made a few videos in my day, and some of them are really good about teaching you all the ins and outs of YouTube and video marketing and so much more. So take a minute, watch a video or two, and you can even do the binge. You can do the YouTube binge. Just don't purge. That would be gross. Thanks, guys.
Yo, it's your boy Yao. It's your boy now. It's your boy now. It's your boy now.
What is going on, and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a video about the best free editing software for YouTube. Whether you're a startup YouTuber or you just want to make a video, I'll show you how to edit in 4K and 60 FPS. Let's get into it.
It's your boy now. It's your boy now. It's your boy now. It's your boy now. It's your boy now.
Now, the first thing you want to do is open your web browser, go to your search engine, and now the program we're going to be using is called DaVinci Resolve. Search DaVinci Resolve and go to Blackmagic Design. Click download, choose your operating system, enter in your details so you can download DaVinci Resolve, register and download. Once you install Resolve, QuickTime and all the other stuff, open Resolve,